If you're seeing this tutorial, you already have in your email a schematic for the AVFolds Origami Wallet's paper bifold and instructions on how to prepare a large piece of paper for folding into a functional wallet using only a printer, tape, and scissors. I like to use pages from this atlas as they're just big enough at 12 inches by 18.5 inches, and I've transferred the pattern from our schematic onto the page. I've cut it out and we're ready to fold a paper wallet. Stay with me to the end of this training and I'll show you how vegetable tan leather through a similar process can be folded to make an extremely durable, guaranteed built for life leather wallet. So let's get started. My name is Argon and this is how to fold the AVFolds Origami Wallet's paper bifold. Start with the unfolded paper with a short tab on the right side pointing up and away. This area here is what's going to be visible on the outside of your wallet. This area here is what's going to be visible on the inside of the wallet when you open it up. So consider this triangle when you're placing your template over your large piece of paper, as that's what's going to be visible in your finished wallet. For folding, we're going to want to flip the page over so that the short tab is on the left and facing away, and we're going to start folding with that short tab. We're going to fold it in half and then we're going to fold it again so that this line runs straight across. And then this long tab, we're going to fold from this point with these edges aligned. Crisp folds make nice edges. And we're going to fold right down to the short tab and we're going to double back. And then this edge here, created here, if we press here we can kind of see it. We're going to fold back to that line. This tab we're going to fold so this line runs straight across. We're going to fold it flush. We're going to do that with this tiny tab as well. And we're going to do it with this tab as well. These crescents will align and this line runs straight across. This is going to fold in to make an insert pocket. And this is going to fold in to make a card packet which holds a deep well pocket and an elevated ID slot. It's also going to have a secret pocket, which I'm going to show you now. I'm going to put this $2 bill in there. Right here is the secret pocket. I'm going to fold it in there, and I'm going to remember to show you how to access the secret pocket without unfolding your paper wallet. So half of our wallet's ready to go. On this half of the wallet, we're going to fold this long tab down. And then from this point to this corner, we're going to fold. And that's going to be our closure tab that holds the wallet together. And there's one on this side as well. It folds from that corner to this point. Now we can fold the bottom of the wallet up. This is going to make a beautiful wallet. The top of this wants to align with the top of that right there. And then fold along here. Likewise, top of that wants to align there. And fold. Now all we have to do is put these closure tabs under one layer of paper on this side and on this side. And then our wallet is finished when we fold it closed. So let's have a look inside. Inside we have an elevated ID slot right here that holds your ID above your other cards. Financial cards can go down in this card trough, and there's a card trough over here that can hold cards. This insert pocket can hold cards, and back here we can keep bills. There's a deep well pocket here, and one thing you'll notice is our $2 bill. It doesn't seem to be in there. It's in there, it's inside this card packet, and if this deep well pocket is empty and the elevated ID slot is empty, you can pull up on this fold of paper and our secret pocket is right here and our $2 bill is right there. That's the AVFolds Origami Wallet's paper bifold. Now I'm guessing you may already know what paper you want to fold into your next wallet. If not, consider the brown recycled paper of a grocery bag. It's great because you can personalize it with paint, an illustration, a stamp, a stencil. It's also great because this paper is made to be durable, so you get a stronger, more lasting result. Now what if there was a way you could carry something even stronger? What if there was a way you could carry a folded wallet so durable it would last a lifetime? Well, AVFolds offers a way you can carry a built-for-life wallet handcrafted from a single pristine piece of vegetable tan leather. The advantage of AVFolds over every other leather wallet is this one you can trust to never come apart at the seams. Because there are none, AVFolds are seamless with no stitching to break. That's why AVFolds are guaranteed to never let you down and save you hundreds of dollars, money that can stay in your wallet instead of buying new ones. Here's what people are saying about AVFolds. Joe from Portland says, innovative design. The wallet is slick with no stitches or glue. Awesome product. Aaron from Vancouver says, there's an elegance to this wallet and there's a feel to it. The best feeling wallet I've ever had. We're doing a special promotion, an introductory offer we call the Full Pocket Solution that won't be around for long. So click this red button over here that reads the AVFolds Origami Wallets in Leather.